The Formax FD2096 uses patented pressure seal technology to efficiently process cut sheet forms in a mid-volume production environment at speeds of up to 30,000 forms per hour. User-friendly features include a bottom air feed system, which allows for continual loading of forms, heavy-duty fold plates designed for easy adjustment, insulated covers for noise reduction, and an outfeed conveyor which neatly stacks processed forms and folds away for easy storage. To use the FD2096, raise the outfeed conveyor to its upright position and use the knobs to secure into place. Attach the outfeed tray extension and connect the conveyor cable. Next, raise the top cover and remove the upper fold plate cover. Use the quick-release fold stop to set the fold position based on the form type. The fold plates are clearly marked with standard and metric scales. Replace the fold plate cover and top cover. Repeat the process with the lower fold plate. Turn on the folder power switch. This will activate the air pump. Load the forms onto the air feed table and adjust for form size. Watch how the air feed system raises and separates the forms for accurate feeding. Turn on the sealer power switch and press the green button to start the seal rollers and the conveyor. Finally, turn the start-stop switch to the start position and adjust the speed using the speed control knob. The bottom air feed system accurately feeds forms while allowing for continuous top loading with no need to stop for reloading. An adjustable ball transport deck provides a smooth and closed transition from the fold rollers into the sealer. The 6-digit resettable LED counter provides a total count of processed forms. The outfeed conveyor features adjustable stacking wheels to keep processed forms in a neat sequential order. The FD2096 is constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame and insulated high-impact covers for durability and noise reduction. Designed with ease of operation in mind, the Formax FD2096 offers an unmatched level of performance, reliability, and proven technology, and is the ideal solution for a mid-sized production environment.